Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" A hot potato. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say, "That's a hot potato"? It's not about a literal potato, but rather a topic or issue that is difficult or uncomfortable to handle. The meaning of a hot potato is a topic or issue that is difficult or uncomfortable to handle. For example, imagine a group of coworkers discussing a sensitive topic, and suddenly someone brings up a controversial issue. The issue becomes a hot potato, and everyone feels uncomfortable and unsure how to handle it. To remember the meaning of a hot potato, think of a hot potato that you cannot hold for too long. You need to pass it on to someone else before it burns you. Similarly, with a difficult topic or issue, you need to pass it on to someone else to handle before it becomes too uncomfortable. Let me tell you a story to help you understand a hot potato better. John was at a family gathering when his aunt brought up a controversial topic. Everyone became uncomfortable, and John's uncle quickly changed the subject. The topic was a hot potato, and no one wanted to handle it. Fun fact 1. The idiom "a hot potato" originated in the 1800s when potatoes were a common food staple. Fun fact 2. The French equivalent of this idiom is a hand grenade. Fun fact 3. The idiom "drop someone like a hot potato" means to abandon or reject someone quickly. Example sentence 1. The issue of gun control is a hot potato in American politics today. The topic is difficult and uncomfortable for many politicians to handle. Example sentence 2. The CEO quickly passed the hot potato issue of layoffs to the HR department. The CEO did not want to handle the difficult issue himself and passed it on to someone else. Sentence: the meeting was a hot potato. Rephrased 1. The meeting was difficult to handle. Rephrased 2. The meeting was uncomfortable for everyone involved. Real-life story. A teacher was discussing a sensitive topic in class when a student brought up a controversial issue. The teacher quickly changed the subject, and the issue became a hot potato. The teacher later realized that she should have addressed the issue and used it as a teachable moment. Similar expressions: a can of worms, a sticky wicket, a hornet's nest. Opposite expressions: a piece of cake, a breeze, a walk in the park. Related idioms: to pass the buck, to sweep something under the rug, to bury the hatchet. Let me tell you a story about a can of worms. A group of coworkers were discussing a project when someone brought up an issue that opened a can of worms. The issue became too complicated and difficult to handle. Quiz time. What does the idiom "a hot potato" mean? Option 1. A literal potato that is hot. Option 2. A topic or issue that is difficult or uncomfortable to handle. Option 3. A cold potato that is easy to handle. Answer: Option 2. The idiom "a hot potato" means a topic or issue that is difficult or uncomfortable to handle. To sum up, a hot potato is an English idiom that means a topic or issue that is difficult or uncomfortable to handle. Remember to use our memory aid of a hot potato that you cannot hold for too long and need to pass on to someone else before it burns you. Expand your English vocabulary by learning similar expressions and related idioms.